Okay, Team Nitro. This is Tom Young. I am your senior director. If you're part of Team Nitro, I am your upline senior director. It is now February 27, 2017, and I'm going to show you how to put through a commercial energy account to Stream. Now, all you want to do is you want to go to your website. See here, mine's tom.mystream.com. You'll see your name here. Right here on Get Services, you're going to click on Get Services. Now here are all the states that we operate in. I'm in Pennsylvania, so we're going to use Pennsylvania as the example. And right here, this is what I'm looking at for this video, is request a quote for commercial energy service. So I'm going to click on that. And that is going to take us to our first screen. How many premises are you enrolling? It's going to be one account. What is a typical spent per month under 150 bucks? Click on continue. Now all this is basically filling in the blanks from now until the end. So I'm going to fill in some fictitious information here to show you how to go through the prompts. Once you put in the zip code, you hit enter, it's going to refresh, and then you want to pick whatever your utility is. I'm in the PPL area, and then I click on continue. Now what happens is you're going to submit information to Stream, and they are going to take the information. They're going to do a check on the building that you're quoting for, roughly about 12 months, and look at the usage over that time and come up with a quote. So there's no set rates for commercial, only for residential. So here we want to click on continue. Now here's where you would put in your billing information and address. So I'm just going to fill in here with some miscellaneous information, Pennsylvania 18353, and then click on continue. Now our next screen is the account setup. You do not need to fill in all these blanks. I'm going to show you what you need to fill in. You fill in, now this is the customer information. First name, last name. We're going to do the, see wherever it has the little red asterisks here. Those are the blanks that need to be filled in. 610-555-1212. Okay, now here you can use the owner's social security number here or their tax ID number, which would be right here. Now, if the person does not want to give you their social security number or their tax ID number, what you can do is you can click on tax ID right here and type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 right there. Now you can put in the owner's name of the store if you like. Now once the owner becomes your energy customer, you're going to need to give Stream the actual tax ID number. But right now you can put this in to get the ball rolling and get everything over to Stream. Secondary contact, you really don't need to fill that in at all. The mailing address, it's usually the same as the customer information above. So you can click on same as address above. If it's different, then you can put in what that actual address is. But all that I've done so far is they've always been same as service address. Information right here, you do not need to fill in. Now see how the continue button is lit up orange? Whenever it's lit up orange, that means that you're safe to go to the next step. So we're going to click on continue. Now account setup. Right here you want to enter the customer's email address. Please enter your email address and preferred method of communication. Your email address will only be used for communication, important updates that may affect your account. So here I'll put in my information. Now, if there's a particular person that you like to work with at Stream, a specific commercial energy account representative, then you can put in their name right here if you like. Customer preferences, email is always the best. You'll see the orange continue button is lit up orange, so we're going to continue. Okay, now this is the confirmation. This is just confirming all the information that you entered. If you need to edit, then you can always click on edit right here. Scroll down. Right here, authorization, you want to click these two buttons to highlight them. Right here, the policy terms, scroll those down. And then Stream Energy notifications. This is optional, but this gives Stream permission to contact, usually by email, the customer just to remind them about the, maybe their plan might be ending, or maybe a rate change where they can lower their rate, some sort of communication. I always click yes for this here. And then you click on submit. And this is actually the end. Here it says, thank you. Next step, Stream's energy request for commercial quote process. This is what you can expect. We'll give you a call, competitive quote, finalize enrollment. What usually happens is, I usually never get a phone call, but what usually happens is Stream will email me or you, usually within about 3 to 5 business days, a contract proposal for your customer, and it'll be attached to an email. And what they'll do is you can print out that contract, you can take it to your customer, have them check mark the 3 check marks and initial next to the questions, and then sign the bottom, and then you can scan it or fax it back into Stream to have it put through. And when you get the email from Stream, they may ask you to email them a copy of the electric bill. That way they can actually tell you down to the penny how much they'll be saving over a 12 or 24 month time frame. So again, that's how you put through a commercial energy rate. There are no set rates like there are for residential. This is something that has to be submitted, and we usually get our answer back from Stream within about 3 to 5 business days. Okay, so this video will be up on our Team Nitro training website for all to see. And if you guys have any questions or need any help with doing this, don't hesitate. Give me a call and or Facebook message me or contact me, and I'll show you how to do this. So take care.